Hey friends, okay, so I was just messing around with GitHub's GraphQL API recently and thought I'd show off a couple things. So you just go to this URL and you sign in with your GitHub and then you can use GraphQL stuff. If you've never used GraphQL before, you're kind of right in the same place with me because I'm pretty inexperienced with this query language stuff. It's yeah, just learning things. So you start out by making these curly braces, and then you can hit Control Space. That will pop up all of the things that you can query on, which is pretty rad. So here, if we do user, and then here we're getting a red underline. User must have subfields, so we can say, okay, let's make some subfields here with curly braces on user. We command space. Let's look at a company. And now we're getting a red line on user. So we need an argument. And with that, we can invoke it almost like it's a function. And here we can pass in our arguments. I hit command space and it auto-completed login. And we're getting another thing. It's unexpected. So this is the syntax errors are when I'm like, oh, rats, I don't know how to do this, but I've done this before. So we hit you just specify a colon, and then you can pass the username. I'll do Kent C. Dodds, and then command enter will run your query. So cool, we have the user company Kent C. Dodds. Now what if you wanted multiple users? Well, we can label this. So I can do Kent C. Dodds as a label. And now if I run this, I'm gonna get Kent C. Dodds. And now I could do another one of these. And I did command D to do multiple cursors, which is cool. M. Zabriskie, buddy, and he's working at Apple now, which is pretty exciting. And yeah, so you can do a bunch of stuff like this. I can select, let's see, I don't know, ID or is hireable. Here we go. Wonder what my is hireable status is. False for both of us. We're not hireable. That's too bad. I think there's also fragment support, and I'm not sure what the syntax for this is, but let's just try it. I don't know, user fragment. And then you can put in what you want that fragment to be, I think. I'm not sure how to use this. Then you just do this, I think. I think I'm getting this wrong. Yeah. Let's see, GraphQL fragment. Do on character. Okay, yeah. So on user, we go. Run that. Poof. So now we can reuse that. And then we could add extra stuff like I think maybe that fragment needs to come last. Name. There we go. And if I put name after, then I'm going to get a syntax. Nope. Looks like name can come after too. And presumably you could spread multiple fragments. And then there's also this idea of variables. So other user login, and let's see, variables. Yeah, so here, graphql.org learn queries. Okay, so you have this dollar that refers to the variable I'm using. So yeah, okay, so we'll say login is the variable other user, and then here we'll make a other user be like, I don't know, Ryan Florence. Maybe this needs to be it. I'm not sure what. Oh, just like a linting error. That's kind of easy. Okay, so let's fix this. We'll do user fragment, and then we'll have the name here too, I guess. Used but not declared. Other user. Okay, so I don't know how to do this episode. Huh. In graphical, so it looks like we have to wrap all of it. put all this inside here. Okay, and this will be user. That's a string. String. I'm an excited string. There. You just got to make your string excited. So I don't know what the exclamation point is all about. Clearly I haven't read this. Since there isn't an exclamation next to episode type, it's optional. Oh, okay. So by doing this, you're making it, but we don't, it's not optional in here. So maybe that's why the exclamation something. I don't know, but anyway, this is just kind of fun stuff going on here that with GraphQL. I feel like there was, oh yeah, so there's another thing I was actually working on. So I was working on searching, and right now I'm struggling with, yeah, so this was kind of handy. So search can return nodes that have several different types, and here you specify your type to be issue, repository, or user. And so to pull off the properties off of each of those types, which have different properties, then you have this 3 dots and then on and the type. I thought was kind of interesting. I'm not sure though how to specify multiple types. I want to be able to search across issues and repositories, so I'm not sure how to do that. So if you know, then let me know, because that'd be pretty cool. I wonder if I don't specify a type. Maybe it's not required. No, you need a type. So I don't know how to do that. Oh, whoops. But anyway, hopefully that's helpful, and I will see you all around later. Bye.